Hi Lorraine, it's Jeffrey Shaw. This is what I used right here. I stuck that behind my hat and recorded, took it to Amy Holland. She ran it through Audacity, the app, it's like a music editing app. And she did better. I could hear everything when she ran it through that. I brought it back home. They won't let me download that app at all. They block everything. Here it is. This is what you heard on your audio and your video. That's actually laughter. When you run this through Audacity, that noise there's laughter. If you put a set of headphones on, run that through Audacity, you'll hear laughter. That's my neighbor's kid. He was about 16 years old then. That's him laughing. That's what I hear 24 hours a day. I'm gonna give you about 2 minutes worth. Okay, that's the hive mind, and what I was told, this part's the hive mind. Okay. That was the cheapest one I could find.